Today is the history of a battle which was fought with guts but not guns, with arms but not armor, with swords but not shooting iron. Today is the story of courage not only in heart but also in every drop of blood. Today is the story of 21 strongest Sikh soldiers who fought the Battle of Saragadi against 10,000 Afghan tribesmen, not in the hope of winning but with the resolution of not stepping back. The frontier between colonial India and Afghanistan in the 19th century was a place of danger and unrest. British forces held posts on the colonial border between British India and Afghanistan, who were threatened by both Russian forces and Afghan tribes. 12th September 1897, the Battle of Saragadi was fought between two sub-nationalities of the subcontinent, British Raj Sikh soldiers and Afghan tribesmen. Saragadi was a small village in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in Pakistan. 21 Sikh soldiers of 36th Sikh Regiment were stationed at Saragadi to set up a communication network between Fort Gulistan and Fort Lockhart. A small rocky outpost was set up at Saragadi between the two forts to prevent violent Pashtuns, also called Afghan tribesmen, from attacking British personnel. The tribal Pashtuns charged many attacks between 27th August and 11th September. But on 12th September 1897, at around 9 am, the story is different. About 10,000 Afghans marched towards the outpost at Saragadi. Sepoy Gurmukh Singh signals to Colonel Houghton, who is in Fort Lockhart, that they were under attack. But Houghton failed to send help. But the 21 soldiers in Saragadi decided to fight to prevent the enemy from reaching the fort, though they were outnumbered and the chance of hope is less. The Pashtun tribes asked them to surrender, but the Sikh soldiers chose to fight. The Pashtuns with full force charged at the fort gates twice, but they failed. Eventually, they entered fort and the gruesome battle began. In an act of outstanding bravery, Havildar Ishar Singh, who is in charge of contingent, ordered his soldiers to fall back into the inner layer stationed at door. Even thousands of enemies stood waiting at the door. They struck them for several hours, fighting very courageously. However, Afghans breached and martyred 16 Sikh soldiers and set fire to the fort. Only 5 were left. Sepoy Gurmukh Singh stood at signal tower and communicated to Houghton, while remaining 4 are hugely outnumbered by the Afghani army, who fought till their last breath, leaving Gurmukh Singh the last surviving defender. Around 3:30 pm, the youngest soldier in the contingent, Gurmukh Singh, entered the battlefield carrying weapons in his hands and killed 20 Afghans before they set him on fire. It was not until the next day that British army reached Saragadi post. They fought with Afghan tribesmen for 2 days and finally retrieved the post. The 21 brave soldiers are honored with Victoria Cross posthumously. Till date, Saragadi Divas is celebrated on 12th September, paying tribute to 21 Sikh soldiers. Battle of Saragadi is the heroic story of 21 valiant warriors who ran out of bullets but fought with swords, who died but did not surrender, who fought until their last breath, last beat, and last drop of blood. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.